Hi, this is James with Alabama Construction Pros, and today we're going to be talking about inspections. So I'm back at Lake Martin, and we just had inspections on this lake house. If you watched the other videos that we had, we built a basement addition, 600 square foot. It has 3 bathrooms and a utility room, and we've been working on it for about 2 to 3 months now. And we're finally at the phase where we can have the inspections. Well, there are multiple inspections, and we'll talk about that in this video. So during an inspection, you have a city official who is trained to inspect different systems of your home. These systems include plumbing, electrical, HVAC, gas, and building. As a builder, I have to go down to the city, pull a permit, and also my specialty trades, they'll go down to the city and pull a permit under my permit. How much do permits cost? So it just depends on the jurisdiction that you're in or the city that you're located in. How it kind of works is, let's say for example, your job is $200,000. You may have a 2% fee of that project, and once I pull mine, the electrician, he would have to pay whatever his fee is. The plumber, the HVAC, gas, and all the specialty trades that have to pull a permit, they also will have to pay their fee. So why should you get inspections, or why should you pull a permit and then get inspections? So the main reason is you have project security. You can trust that your project will be done correctly. If a contractor does not want to pull a permit, there may be a red flag that he is not licensed and he cannot pull a permit. That contractor also has security because they know that if they miss something, which sometimes it happens, the permit forces them to get an inspection, and the inspector will point out the issue. They'll fail the inspection, and they'll have to fix it. And nobody likes to fail inspections, but it's better to fail inspections than a house burned down. All contractors probably have failed an inspection. I've failed an inspection, passed a lot of inspections. That's just part of the business. Constructive criticism makes a contractor better. If your contractor fails an inspection, if he's a good contractor, he'll make sure that everything is fixed, that the inspector said, and he'll pass that inspection the next time. The first thing that you want to do is your contractor should do is go down and pull a permit. Once he pulls a permit, then he can start construction. Let's say it's a basement, kind of like our job in Dadeville. The first thing that he's going to do is pull that permit, and then once he starts construction, he's going to have to dig out all of the dirt, do the foundation. Once the foundation is formed and all the rebar and everything is in, he is going to have to get an inspection to make sure the slab is properly built before he can actually pour the concrete. So they're going to come out, check the rebar, check the mesh, make sure the vapor barrier is all down. And so that's kind of the first thing that will happen. Now, if this is going to be a bathroom, there's going to be another inspection where they'll come out and just check the drain lines that are going to be in the slab. So there we have 2 inspections. And so next you'll be allowed to go ahead and pour the concrete. And once the concrete is poured, you should go ahead and start framing. And you're going to get all your framing completed, all your plumbing completed, all your electrical completed, and all of your HVAC and gas if needed. And once it's all completed, and of course making sure that your subcontractor, making sure that the subcontractors of the contractor has pulled their permits. Of course, that's the contractor's job. They'll make sure that they pulled all of their permits, and the first thing will happen will be the specialty trades will have to get their inspections first. So you have to have your HVAC, electrical, and plumbing. And once they pass theirs, then the building inspection can be finally inspected. And then that is called your rough-in inspection phase. Now, of course, I'm only going off of my jurisdiction and in the cities that I work in. It may be different in other places, but that's kind of how the inspections work here. So in a nutshell, what you do, it just depends on where you are. Some places, the inspection process is a little more tedious. Other cities, not as tedious. In some cities, they don't even require permits. These are some things that you can expect during a inspection. I hope that you all will have a successful inspection through your host contractor. All right, thank you. Bye.